bending spalted birch. I'm bending a piece of spalted birch today. It's got a real pretty design in it. I'm doing this for a customer. By now everybody knows that my sandwich is the slat, wet paper, wood, wet paper, slat, and then the blanket. One of the big differences now is the use of the PID controller. So you can see I like to put a weight on the ends of this, and that weight's only a couple of pounds. It's not real major. The big deal that it's going to do, it's going to keep pressure on the wood and at the same time keep everything in contact. Now here I have a thermocouple that goes in. I can set my 15-minute timer. It is set for 285 degrees Fahrenheit, and it pretty much takes all of the guesswork out of bending anymore. And you can see I have that turned on, it's plugged in, and now you're going to watch the temperature rise. And when the temperature gets up to the, usually about 220, I will actually start bending. Okay, you can see the heat's rising. It's very important to allow the heat to get into the wood. The moisture definitely helps to contact and allow or facilitate the heat to penetrate the wood. You can see how far these weights have pulled everything down. And like I said, this was spalted birch, and you can see how far down the weight is. So now I'm going to bend my lower bow. I'm going to give the waist just a little bit of a crank now at this point. And you can see I started bending, it was around 220. We're now up coming up in the 240 range. And I'm just gently pulling this. And this is a size 14 fret shape. So it's nothing out of the ordinary. Lower bout, upper bout, we're at 250. Crank down the waist. The temperature will it'll go up to 285, that's what it's set for. And usually when I have it down, now I just crank it up to a full 15-minute heat period, and we'll see this when it cools down. Okay, it's all done, it's cooled down, so now we're going to get to see what spalted birch looks like. It's an interesting piece of wood. We'll see. Just use my regular heat profile, nothing spectacular. It looks like it bent well. And that bent just fine. You can see it's definitely got a distinct look to it. So from my shop to yours, that's how you can